What is our sort of medium-term outlook? By medium term, I mean looking over the next couple of quarters, maybe towards the rest of the year. The important thing to kind of have in mind is that crypto assets are a little bit unusual in that they are a combination of a monetary asset as well as a tech investment. There really is nothing like that before, and that has certain implications. There's certainly a concern out there that the current sell-off could be something like the dot-com bust in 2000, when after a big run-up in technology stock prices, there was a big sell-off and the market was pretty much dead for 4 or 5 years before it came back. I think that the crypto situation right now is slightly different from that. The first reason is the monetary nature of crypto. And what we're seeing is that a lot more countries are becoming more open to Bitcoin adoption or crypto adoption and legalization. So definitely there was a big step in September of last year when El Salvador became the first country in the world that gave Bitcoin the status of legal tender, which means that it's just as legal form of payment as the US dollar in El Salvador. You can, every merchant has to accept it. You can pay your debts in it. You can pay your taxes. Basically, it is the dream of the Bitcoin maximalists where Bitcoin becomes money. That dream is a reality in El Salvador, small country, but the first one. India, which has been very much anti-crypto and anti-Bitcoin, and has been sort of playing with the idea of completely banning it. And there was actually legislation a few years ago that tried to completely outlaw any sort of cryptocurrency. They reversed course and they legalized Bitcoin at the beginning of February of this year. They actually put in place a tax framework, and that's quite a big turnaround. And on the more recent sort of ironic development is that Russia and Ukraine, as they both are getting ready to go to war, they both legalized Bitcoin and crypto assets at around the same time, sort of almost in unison. Ukraine has been working on a crypto law since October, but they just passed it this month. And Russia has announced deadline was supposed to be today for their crypto law unveiling. We'll see if that comes out or it'll be delayed, but they definitely are also in the process of legalizing it. And this is all part of a bigger trend. We really haven't seen a major country aggressively moving against crypto since China banned it completely in early 2021, which seems to have been a little bit of a break. We really haven't seen anyone else go against Bitcoin. So the monetary nature of cryptocurrencies is continuing to be important, and actually is growing in importance.